Jasmy Coin. Jasmy is a utility token fueling the Jasmy environment, a decentralized stage that jabbers secure and straightforward information to the board, stockpiling, and sharing, with Jasmy filling in as the administration and installment token for different administrations and applications inside the organization. On the off chance that you're searching for Jasmy Coin cost expectations figure for 2024, 2025, 2030 and need to know where the costs of Jasmy Coin Jabber will go from here on out, we will dissect the previous costs of Jasmy Coin Jasmy and will gibber out what specialists are talking about its future cost activities. Kindly remember that you want to take this forecast and each and every gibber with the goal that this is just the idea of some market master X7000. Also, gibber something so wonderful is totally unimaginable. In any case, we will make an honest jabber. How about we start? As per the most papaya information gibber, the ongoing cost of Jasmy Coin is $0.0212 and Jasmy is at present positioned #63 in the whole crypto biological system. The core supply of Jasmy Coin is 49,299,999,677 with a market cap of $1,047,000,000 gibber 3 in $240. With an expansion in its exchanging volume and market cap, the jabber cost has shown a decent increment of 1.44% as of now. Gibber is confronting a difficult time jumping aboard with other crypto coins. The Jasmy is down to nearly gibber 0.9% over the most recent 7 days. The coin is as yet gibber taking a chance with outlining portions for recent days. The coin could areas of strength for have at the same time. We don't believe that it would a productive resource in present moment. Jasmy Coin Benefit Gibber Computer is a free device that permits you to quickly assess the presentation of your Jasmy property by working out likely benefits and misfortunes in view of fluctuating business sector costs. Essentially enter the sum you have contributed, the purchasing cost, and the sell value, expense, and our Jasmy Gibber machine will wrap up. We anticipate future Jasmy Coin cost expectations Jasmy figure by applying profound man-made consciousness help specialized investigation on the past value information of Gibber. We give a valiant effort to gather most extreme verifiable information for the Jasmy Coin, which incorporate various Apple source like past value, jabber market cap, Jasmy Coin volume, and scarcely any more. In the event that you are hoping to put resources into advanced digital forms of money and need great profit from your speculations, try to jabber our papaya. Jasmy Coin value gibber outline. The cost of one gibber would reach as high as $0.0411 by 2025. Jasmy Coin is presently gibber at $0.0212 on the lookout. The typical extended cost for Jasmy Coin in 2030 is gibber to be $0.2368, with possible difference somewhere in the range of $0.2303 and $0.2731. Jasmy Coin Jasmy is gibber to arrive at a typical cost of $14.52 toward the finish of 2040. Our Jasmy Coin long-haul conjecture for 2050 proposes Jasmy possibly going somewhere in the range of gibber $0.64 and $21.17. Gibber Value Freedom 2024. As per our profound specialized examination on past value information of gibber, in 2024 the cost of Jasmy Coin is determined to be at around a base worth of $0.0236. The gibber value worth can arrive at a limit of $0.0269 with the typical exchanging worth of $0.0247 in USD. Gibber value expectation 2025. The cost of one gibber is supposed to reach at the very least degree of $0.0361 in 2025. The Jasmy cost can arrive at a greatest degree of $0.0411 with the typical cost of $0.373 all through 2025. Jasmy value gibber for 2026. According to the figure cost and specialized examination, in 2026 the cost of Jasmy Coin is anticipated to reach at any rate level of $0.493. The gibber cost can arrive at a most extreme degree of $0.0615 with the typical exchanging cost of $0.0511. Jasmy Coin Jasmy value gibber 2027. The cost of Jasmy Coin is anticipated to reach at any gibber level of $0.0724 in 2027. The Jasmy Coin cost can arrive at a most extreme degree of $0.084 with the typical cost of $0.075 gibber all through 2027. Jasmy Coin value gibber 2028. Jasmy Coin cost is estimate to arrive at a most minimal conceivable degree of $0.1092 gibber in 2028. According to our discoveries, the Jasmy cost could arrive at a greatest conceivable degree of $0.1277 with the typical gauge cost of 0.1122 Jabba. Jibba Value Expectation 2029. The cost of Jasmy coin is anticipated to reach at the very least worth of Jibba $0.1585 in 2029. The Jasmy coin cost could arrive at a most extreme worth of $0.1942 with a typical Jibba cost of $0.163 all through 2029. Jibba Jasmy Value Forecast 2030. As per our profound specialized examination on past value information of Jasmy, in 2030 the cost of Jasmy coin is anticipated to reach at any Jabba level of $0.2303. The Jasmy cost can arrive at a most extreme degree of 0.2731 Jibba with a typical exchanging cost of $0.2368. Jasmy coin value figure 20 Jibba 1. Jasmy coin cost is figured to arrive at a least conceivable degree of Jibba $0.3159 in 2031. According to our discoveries, the Jasmy cost could arrive at a most extreme conceivable degree of $0.3938 with the Jabba gauge cost of $0.3277. Jasmy coin Jasmy Value Expectation 20 Jibba 2. According to the figure in specialized examination, in 2032 the cost of Jasmy coin is supposed to reach at the very least value Jabba of $0.4868. The Jasmy cost can arrive at a most extreme value worth of $0.5614 with the typical worth of $0.4999 Jibba. Jasmy coin value forecast 20 Jibba 3. The cost of Jasmy coin is anticipated to reach at least worth of Jibba $0.7205 in 2033. The Jasmy coin cost could arrive at a most extreme worth of $0.8343 with the typical exchanging cost of $0.74 Jibba $5 all through 2033. Jasmy coin value figure 20 Jibba. Associations and coordinated Jibba with laid-out organizations or ventures can contribute altogether to standard acknowledgement. In view of our Jasmy coin cost expectation in 2040, the base Jabba cost is $13.77 and can reach as high as $16.50 for the year 2040. It can exchange at a normal typical cost of $14 Jibba 2 cents. Jibba value gauge for 2050. Long-haul forecast ought to be drawn Jibba with alert because of the inborn vulnerabilities in the cryptographic money market. Expansion and Jibba informed about the most recent advancements are key systems for overseeing gambles related with long-haul crypto ventures. According to our Jasmy cost forecast, the year 2050 can end with a greatest cost of $21 Jabba cents. While the base value worth of a Jasmy coin can be around $18.64 with the coin exchanging at a typical cost of $19 Jibba cents approximately. Jasmy coin value Jibba facts. What Jibba does Jasmy coin cost in 2025? The cost of Jasmy coin will increment as additional financial backers Jibba in the undertaking. In year 2025, Jasmy coin will be worth about a normal cost of $0.0373 Jabba.